UNITA wasn't doing much. We did our whole record deal. We did our record. We signed with Rick Rubin, American Records, who was with Columbia, who did all the work. Rick Rubin left Sony, went to Island Def Jam. So from these guys who loved us to these guys that don't care, they weren't about building bands. They just want whoever's platinum now. You know, you look at their rock, who they have that's rock. Bon Jovi and Sum 41. That was their shit. So
Tired of everything felt like it was just decaying and breaking around you.
due to contractual shit, we got out.
Artie and I said, you know what, dude, let's get another band going on and stuff.
We want to play. That's what we do. We want to play all day long, and that's it, and tour and play and put out records. So we're like, okay, let's start something else.
It's just a new sound. Comes from Artie and Mike, you know. It's really cool. I like it, man. It's really new age. It's really new sounding. It's fucking fresh. It's like a refreshing fucking sound, so. It's a cool, heavy fucking rock and roll, you know.
Still like the stoner roots, if you want to call it, into it. You know what I mean? There's the Led Zeppelin influence in it, sure, or there's the Cole influence. You know, there's just our daily life influence, but it's definitely something where it's very musical, very melodic.
I really dug it when I heard it. I just wanted to be a part of it.
The freedom of music, and that's what it definitely was a big part of writing this first record that we're doing, is just the freedom to do whatever the fuck we want to do and no limitations.